Tesla Bot and Ameca are humanoid robots. Tesla Bot is an AI-driven functionality, based on Tesla's expertise in autonomous driving and machine learning. It can perform repetitive tasks, lift moderate weights, and walk at a moderate pace. It emphasizes practicality and adaptability in industrial and domestic environments. It is still under development, with prototypes being refined. Ameca has advanced facial expressions and natural human-like interactions. It is not designed for heavy-duty tasks but excels in realistic conversations and social interactions. It acts as a research platform for integrating conversational AI. It can display emotions through facial expressions, making it ideal for exhibitions, education, and entertainment. Tesla Bot uses Tesla's full self-driving AI for navigation and task execution. It emphasizes robotics for repetitive tasks and efficiency. It integrates Tesla's hardware expertise in sensors and actuators for precise movements. Ameca focuses on human-like movement and communication. It features a modular architecture to integrate various AI and research tools. It is a platform for exploring human-robot emotional and conversational interaction.